Hey friends, today I'm here with a nutritious breakfast, a wheat and meat porridge that is called Haleem. The ingredients are 2 glasses of wheat, 200 grams turkey or chicken breast, 1 onion, 3 teaspoons cinnamon, 3 teaspoons salt. For cooking Haleem, we should use peeled wheat. First, wash the wheat. Pour water over the wheat. Soak it for 12 hours. Cook the turkey breast with an onion. After cooking the meat, strain the broth and put aside for the next step. Shred the meat. After 12 hours, when the wheat soaked, empty the wheat water. Pour into the pot. Pour water over it. Put it on the heat. When it boils, remove the foam with a spoon. Let it cook on low heat for 4 hours. During this time, we should stir it. After cooking the wheat, we should add boiling water to mash the wheat easily. Turn the heat off to cool slightly. Pour cooked wheat into the blender till completely softened. We pass it through a strainer so that the wheat skin remains inside the strainer and the rest of the ingredients will be poured in the bottom container. Pour some of the broth that we had passed through the strainer on the wheat so that make it easier to strain. When we pass all the Haleem through a strainer, pour the turkey meat into it. Put on low heat for half an hour and stir constantly until the meat and wheat are thoroughly mixed and it gets kinda thick, elastic, and stretch. Finally, add salt and turn the heat off. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.